Okay, guys. Now this is serious. Him. You probably think I'm crazy. This is F-Man. Well, I'm not. So this is part 2 of F-Man. Which is you probably think, but who else has awesome funny bird F-Man name? And right now, so do not friend this guy. His user is HIIMHIM. So yeah. So okay, in order to do this, you will need another account. So to store your other stuff with. My friend has another account. I have another account. My other account is Very June for you probably saw it. And yeah, you want to put all your rare. So I don't want to say if I stand one, but you probably already seen it. So yeah, this is very crazy. I don't know what to do. So you want to get a lot of necklaces. As you can see, I have a blue necklace right now, and it's kind of no. Okay, good. And yes, you just want to be very aware of. You want to look for the necklace and copy these. Now you saw how much gems I have. I'm not trying to brag, but they're gonna be what? What? What happened? Arya? Yes. Nope. No, Raina, stop touching my thing. So yeah, you want to get just about 4 of these necklaces. So if he does give you a genogram, for your space. But now Raina, give me the phone. Sorry. Okay, now you. Oh no, I don't want to wear this. The best man to it. I like my this chin, okay? So I'm gonna wear this. Sorry, but BTW, I'm married. Oh my god. F-Man is mean. Bad man. Fab man. Why? What? He's running request to me. What? He's running request to me. I am not joking. He just, okay, I buddied him to see if he wants to be my buddy. He actually said yes, and I'm not joking. You can see it on my new video. I'm not kidding. Oh god, I'm gonna go. Okay, guys, I'm gonna end this video. So I'm gonna go see what he's doing. So yeah. See you guys later. Bye. I will upload a part 3 of this. So bye. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Fab man. Fab man. Okay, so I'm gonna end this video here. Bye, guys.